What is up, my lovely YouTube family? Welcome to the Hackbuster channel. This is the show where we find random life hacks from the internet and we see how realistic and reliable they actually are. Today, we're going to check some hot glue life hacks from 5 Minute Craft. So, let's get to work. Guys, is that even healthy? Like, really, I'm seriously concerned. This is a serious life-threatening question. Is hot glue cancerous? I really don't know. If you know it, let me know in the comments below. But why in the world would you even need to do that? I guess you're a bachelor, live by yourself, and you have a guest show up, you don't have another spoon. Why go through all the trouble to make a spoon out of a hot glue? I highly doubt any sturdy at all. You can make a spoon out of anything, a plastic bottle, aluminum foil, anything. Why hot glue? I hope I don't die. Comment below if you think this hack is going to be realistic, where this is going to be a sturdy spoon, or if the spoon is going to spill over all the milk and everything as I'm trying to lift it up. I think it's going to spill. Let's see who is right. So we're also going to check if this spoon is actually cost efficient. I'm going to see how many hot glue sticks it takes to make one single spoon. I have a regular awesome spoon right here. I'm going to make another copy of this. This thing requires some hardcore forearm exercises. Ouch! So this took about 3 hot glue sticks. They're pretty small, so it's okay. I'm gonna let it dry right now and see how it looks. Alright, so it looks like our hot spoon glue or hot glue spoon is about ready. So let's see how I can take it apart. Ta-da! So I have my actual spoon and my hot glue spoon right here. Do you think this spoon, when I hold it like this, as I would when eating a cereal, it would stay sturdy like this? Or do you think it's going to flip? Time for the test. So I have the spoon right here. So nice and sturdy and bajoing. Yeah, I have no idea how you're going to manage eating cereal with this. If I die or get cancer by eating with a hot glue spoon, I did it for you guys. I'm risking my own health for your enjoyment, so like it, subscribe it, share it. Time for the test. Guys, what would you call it? Would you say this is a normal spoon that deserves it as the show? Can you use it during emergency? Would you recommend it and use it for yourself? Or would you say, yeah, it's not as good, but it still works? Or would you say it is busted? I say it's completely busted. This is not a spoon. This is a boinga boinga joinga boinga. I don't know what that is. Alright, so let's check out our genius second life hack. I know I'm being skeptical for all of these hacks, but I don't really think that is going to be realistic either. Do you think it's going to be strong enough as a plastic push pin that you can push it through something with a hot glue? I highly doubt it. Let me know in the comments below, guys. This is an open conversation. What you think, what I think, what all of us think. We're all a gigantic big family. Alright? So let me know if you think it's gonna be actual sturdy. I don't think so. I think as soon as you try to press it, it's gonna go through it, probably puncture some fingers. But because you don't have to puncture it, I'm going to sacrifice mine, okay? So I have right here some actual push pins right here and some regular pins. So on the regular pins, I'm going to apply some hot glue and see if how close they are to the actual plastic ones. Let's get to it. The way they make it look so easy, just dab some hot glue on it and it stays. In reality, we have gravity, guys. This thing is dripping everywhere. This thing looks like a gigantic mess. So our hack push pins looks about to be done. So with this one, I'm going to see if this one is actually sturdy enough to push through something. That is the point of a push pins, right? I didn't die yet from eating with the hot glue spoon. So let's see if I actually bleed from this one or not. Guys, I'm risking my own body. I'm injuring myself for your enjoyment. Like it, share it, subscribe it. Regular push pins, you push it through, it is done. Easy peasy, jizzle drizzy, little wheezy, yeah. This is a life hack one. Can I push through it? Alright, so it didn't actually come out and puncture my finger. I'm going to try with another one. Hopefully this time it all works as well. Okay guys, you know what? I'm actually gonna call it yes. I'm gonna say this works because although it looks like super crappy, who cares? It does the purpose. It doesn't come through. You can still use it. This is a tissue paper thing, so it's not as hard. If you're trying to put it through a wall or something, it definitely might come through. I'm not going to go there. This test, it passes, so I'm going to say yes. Alright, so on to the next one. That just looks so dumb to me. It's a hot glue. If you have something heated on it, I think the glue would melt. It's a hot glue. Heat makes the glue melt. How can you use a hot glue thing for a hot coffee holder? I think this one's gonna be definitely busted. What do you think? Let me know. Let's have a conversation, guys. Alright? I'm going to try it out. I think it's gonna be completely busted. I think it's going to melt through. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm not. We're going to find out. Let's get it done. Alright guys, so it looks like my hot glue coaster is about done. So I'm going to take it apart and let's see how it will work being a real coaster. I still think it's gonna be complete bust, guys. That's not gonna work. Let me know what you think, guys. Comment below. In the actual video, to make it, they used one layer of hot glue. So that's what I did as well. And as you can see, it is like super flimsy, like all of their products. So I hope it can actually work. I don't think so. Let's put it to the test. That is what we are here to bust some hacks. Yeah. So I have my fresh hot morning coffee right here. Let's see it works. Alright guys, so I can already see some high quality melting going on. So it's been about 10 seconds. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, I stand corrected. Look at that. You can see my face through it. How nice is that? Would you want that to be your coaster? What can you use that with? Double life hack as a bracelet. Yeah. So guys, would you call this reliable? Is this how you want to enjoy your morning coffee? With some nice old web? Do I need to say it? Let me see you guys say it. What do you think this is? Would you call it realistic? Or would you say it's workable? Or I say it is busted. Let's see if we got any more hacks, okay? Why? Why? I know I say why a lot, but definitely please tell me in the comment why. Are they trying to show that they use hot glue as a nail polish? Because even in their video, that looks nothing close to being looking like a nail polish. Or this thing hot glue is not hot? Is this enjoyable? I don't know. You know what, guys? Smash the like button for your enjoyment. I'm actually going to try it. I don't know why I'm trying it. Oh yes, I do. For your enjoyment. So smash it, okay? Share it, smash it, subscribe it, like it, blow it up. Alright. Moment of the truth. Ow, it is hot. Guys, it is hot. If you have a hot glue at home, try it. It's hot. I really hope I don't get a 3rd degree burn. For your enjoyment, guys, share it, subscribe it. Smash that subscribe. Let's do it. Ah! What is wrong with them? Seriously, that is hot. I give 100% credit to that person. I actually don't think it's hot glue. I have no idea what it is. It's maybe something else. It is not hot glue. They cannot pour hot glue in their hand like that. That hurts. Guys, I did that only for your enjoyment. So please, for my pain, guys, like it, subscribe it, share it, and thank you so much for watching, guys. As you saw from the 3 life hacks that we did today, one of them was successful, although looking really crappy. 2 of them were ridiculously busted. The spoon or the coaster. So that is exactly what we do in here. We check how realistic those life hacks in the internet are. So if you want to see more, guys, smash that like button and definitely subscribe so you don't miss a single video. And make sure to share so we can actually aware your friends and families too, because we are all a great big YouTube family right here. Or Facebook if you post it in Facebook. I really appreciate you giving your time for watching my videos, guys. Come back to watch more videos. I post 2 to 3 videos every week. So like, share, subscribe, encourage me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.